Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word Chapter 2 Simulation Training Hand-on Exercise 2. So open the Word Chapter 2 training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So what chapter 2 simulation training hand on exercise 2. So click the launch, open the what chapter 2 simulation training. So open the word chapter 2 simulation training and on exercise 2. So we move to the main question number 1 and total question is 4. So question number 1 is click a place insertion point before the paragraph near the bottom of the left column on page 4, beginning with the no for the fun parts. On the insert tab, click the picture in the illustration groups and insert the winter picture with the from this device. So click the place insertion point before the paragraph left column on page 1 in the page 4. So go to the page 4. So page 4 and next is go to the insert tabs and picture illustration groups and click the insert a picture. On page 4 insert the picture and insert the picture from this device left column on page 4 before the paragraph. So next is no and insert the pictures. So go to the insert tabs and go to the illustration groups this device and insert the pictures, click insert. And next is with the picture selected it and click the layout and beside the option and click the tight. Be sure and click the tight. And next is position the insertion point before the dark photo heading in the right column on page 3 and select the insert tabs and then insert smart art graphics. Choose the basics matrix layout from the matrix groups. Position the insertion point in the dark photo. So dark photo. Position the insertion pen in the dark photo heading right on a column page 3 and select the insert tabs and on a page 3 and before the dark photo. Before the dark photo and right column on page 3 and select the insert tabs and insert the smart art graphic, choosing the basics matrix layout from the matrix group. So go to the insert tabs and go to the illustration groups and click this from this device. Sorry, click the smart arts and next is smart art graphic, choosing the basics matrix. So select the basics matrix from the matrix groups. So basic matrix, click the basic matrix and click OK. Next is the type the missed focus in the top left shape, in the top right shape type the shake frame, in the remaining smart art shape will auto complete. So left is the top, so type the mist focus. And next is shape the right text box is the sky frame. Shaky frame. And next is select the text basic photography in the first line on the page 1 and select the insert. Format the selected text as a word art using the styles fill dovetail accent color 1, the shadow row 1, column 2, and basics. Select the basics photography in the first line on the page 1. So go to the tabs, click the first line on the page 1 and select the insert tabs. So go to the insert tabs, select the words and style to fill dark accent 1. So select the insert tabs and formats and selected the word art using the first row second column in the fill dovetail accent color 1 shadow, click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is open the question number 2. Insert the text box of any size in the right column on page 1 and resize the text box 1.5 and wide is 3 with the insertion point in the text box. Type the word of photography is open to anyone. So insert the text box on a page 1. So go to the insert tabs and right column. So insert type right column on page 1. So insert the draw a text box and right column on and next is resize the text box 1.5 and height with is 3. So go to the shape format tabs and shape is resize the height is, so show the height is 1.5 and width is 3 and press enter. And next is type the word of photography is open to anyone. So type the word of photography is open to anyone and include the period. So the word of photography. And next is change the font size of the text the word photography anyone and font size to 24. So go to DOM tabs and font size to 24. And next is change the wrapping text to secure and close the layout options. Change the wrapping text to secure, click OK and close the layout options. At the right side of the basic photography heading and insert the explosion 8-point shape drawing the shape just above the section break indicator. The shape should be approximately 1 and height is 1. At the right side of the photographic heading and insert the explosion 8-point shape and section breakers indicator approximately 1. So go to the shape format tabs and 1 and so next is insert the shape. So go to the insert tabs and click the shape and explosion 8, sorry. So go to the insert tabs and click the shape, and next is point to the driving shade explosion 8 point, explosion 8 point, explosion 8 point. So go to the insert tabs and click the shape and X is to explosion 8.